Meanwhile, come on, Bluebird, you can become two. You became two! Oh my god! We don't believe this! And let's swim. Wait, what did you say? Bye-bye. Who ran away from me? And relax. Why is the light off? Turn it on. La 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 la. Meanwhile, we have to go at Expert. Oh, I walked too slow. I'm slow. Well, he's melted. Everyone give him cold air. Make him in the heat. Awkward. Meanwhile, right at the pigs. You know what happened again? I think we're from 11 Redbird now on the team. Oh my god! Oh my god! Do not look at this. That was just boring. Stop looking at me like that. Daytime. We go on a date. Go on a date like a recipe day. It's going like where someone can never see us. Like somewhere at this table. Okay. So, wait, turn the light on. I know what our food is. Well, guys. Well, okay. Oh, guys, while you're at a restaurant, oh my god. We must marry. Comes the bride. They're gonna marry. First is gonna be Angry Bird. Wow, wait, guys, what's happening? No, we don't need you. We don't need you either. Wait, why is everyone coming? I know why. Why, Blackbird? Why? Because Raven's getting married. There I am. Your bird picking up on me now. Meanwhile, at the kitchen. Wow, everyone's here. Okay, we have to wait. Him and Mary. Mary, this is gonna be the best funeral ever. Wait, Bird, you're gonna get married too. What? Okay. Why are you the only boy? Yeah. Want me again? Yeah. You want me? Yeah.